What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best budget mirrorless cameras in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Sony a6100 has emerged as the most cost-effective mirrorless camera of 2024, offering a myriad of features such as object tracking, 4K video capability, a flip screen, and more. These features make the Sony a6100 an ideal choice for budget-focused buyers seeking a compact yet powerful camera. The latest iteration of the a6100 boasts significant upgrades, including an improved touchscreen and an enhanced autofocus system. The camera's compact design doesn't compromise on its power, making it an exceptional choice for those seeking professional-grade features in a small package. A notable addition to the a6100 is its selfie-friendly monitor, which elevates self-portraits beyond what your smartphone can typically capture. The camera's design is reminiscent of the a6000, but with key enhancements that improve user experience. For instance, a deeper grip provides better control and security, making the a6100 feel familiar yet superior for those who've used the a6000. The Sony a6100 shines when it comes to focusing performance, with the introduction of subject tracking autofocus marking a significant leap from previous models. Although accessing the object tracking features requires some navigation through the settings, once enabled, it works seamlessly with the touchscreen, allowing you to tap and track subjects within the frame. The camera excels at maintaining sharp focus, regardless of the subject's movement within the frame. The eye autofocus function can be paired with the tracking function to effortlessly switch focus between the subject and the human eye when in close proximity, enhancing image sharpness. Sony's autofocus system continues to evolve with each new model, and the difference between the a6000 and a6100 is stark. If autofocus is a priority, upgrading to the a6100 is highly recommended. In terms of low-light performance, the a6100 does not disappoint. Its image quality is remarkable given the camera body's price point, producing sharp, vibrant images, particularly when paired with a high-quality lens. With a resolution of 24 megapixels, this camera delivers stunning images across various scenes. A significant upgrade in video quality is another standout feature of the a6100, now capable of shooting up to 4K 30p video, a substantial improvement over the a6000's HD limit. Thumbs up. Our next review features the Panasonic Lumix G100, a standout contender for the best budget mirrorless vlogging camera of 2024. The Lumix G100 appeals to vloggers and creatives who appreciate simple, high-quality video and photo capture with an intuitive button layout. Even those unversed in the technical aspects of videography can achieve stunning results with this camera. The G100's strategic design includes an impressive viewfinder and ergonomic structure, giving it a competitive edge in an increasingly crowded market. Its MTF lens mount provides access to an extensive range of quality, affordable lenses, offering a significant advantage over smartphones and pocket cameras. At its core, the G100 boasts a 20.3 megapixel live MOS sensor capable of recording superior 4K 30p video. It also offers full HD video at up to 120 frames per second for dramatic slow-motion sequences. Panasonic has conveniently placed all frame rate options, including up to 8K high-speed video modes, on the SMK position on the camera mode dials. Time-lapse and stop-motion sequences can be created directly in-camera using intervalometer settings, ideal for dynamic B-roll footage. When compared with the compatible lens, the G100 features a 5-axis hybrid IS. This essentially means the camera uses a mix of optical image stabilization in certain lenses and electronic image stabilization in the camera itself. However, when shooting in 4K, the G100 is limited to 4-axis stabilization. In video selfie mode, which activates when the LCD screen is turned towards the user, the camera automatically increases the depth of field to keep both your face and the background in focus. The G100's intelligent facial recognition and tracking algorithms consistently identify and lock onto faces, making it a favorite among vloggers. One of the G100's unique selling points is its dedicated sharing button, designed for seamless connectivity with smartphones or tablets. This feature, combined with its compact size, about half of that Lumix GH5, makes it one of the smallest interchangeable lens cameras with a fully articulated touchscreen LCD currently available. The 12-32mm kit lens provides a modest yet useful focal range equivalent to 24-64mm, maintaining its compactness. As the first Lumix camera specifically designed for vloggers, the G100 is an impressive exclusive offering. It's compact and delivers high-quality photos and videos across various scenarios, making it perfect for travel and home studio presentations. The Canon EOS RP has emerged as the best budget mirrorless full-frame camera in 2024, boasting a compact, affordable, and versatile design. While it may not feature groundbreaking technology, its value proposition increases with its affordability. The EOS RP is a triumph for Canon, offering full-frame capabilities and 4K video in a package that significantly undercuts the size, weight, and price of most of its competitors. Powered by the new Digigate processor, it shares a similar 26.2 megapixel sensor to the EOS 60 Mark II, optimized for a mirrorless system and adapted to cater to the RF mount's flange back distance. With its slim profile, the EOS RP pairs well with the compact lenses like the RF 35mm f1.8. Although it lacks standout features, being designed as an entry-level counterpart to the EOS R, it does introduce focus bracketing. This semi-automated focus stacking mode allows you to specify the number of shots, with the camera adjusting the focus point between each shot to create a series of images that can be combined to extend the depth of field. What sets the EOS RP apart is its compact form factor, weighing a mere 485 grams inclusive of battery and memory card, making it lighter than both the EOS R and EOS 60 Mark II. Its 0.39-inch, 2.36 million dot electronic viewfinder, borrowed from the EOS M50, functions well despite being smaller than the EOS Rs. The fully articulated touchscreen, thankfully retained by Canon, enhances its usability. With the EOS Utility Beta webcam software, compatible with Mac and Windows, you can convert your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam, or utilize the pure HDMI output. In summary, the Canon EOS RP delivers impressive image quality, courtesy of its 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Digigate image processor, making it a compelling choice in the entry-level full-frame market. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it. Securing the second spot in our list of the best budget mirrorless cameras for 2024 is the Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV. This camera boasts a plethora of features, including an upgraded 20-megapixel sensor, enhanced in-body image stabilization, and a new tilt-down monitor, setting it apart from its predecessors and competitors alike. The Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV maintains the 4K video capabilities and appealing aesthetics that made its predecessor, the Mark III, a hit among consumers. Its elegant design, stylish appearance, and incredibly lightweight build make it an ideal choice for those stepping into the world of photography. One of the significant upgrades in the Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV is the 20-megapixel live MOS sensor, a notable improvement from the previous model's 16-megapixel sensor. This upgrade aligns with the EM10 series with the latest versions of the EM5 and EM1 series, which also feature 20-megapixel sensors. The Mark IV exhibits a compact, in-body image stabilization unit capable of up to 4.5 EV steps of compensation. It also offers a 15 FPS high-speed burst shooting mode, perfect for capturing fast-moving subjects. Notably, the continuous AF has been improved for better focus on moving subjects. The Face Priority Eye Priority AF is another exciting feature of the Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV. It can focus on faces in profile or looking down, providing users with sharp portraits from unconventional angles. The Olympus OMDE M10 Mark IV offers various shooting modes, such as Auto, SCN, Scene, AP, Advanced Photo, and an Art Filter. The AP mode simplifies complex shooting techniques like panoramas and HDR, making them accessible to beginners. The Art Filter mode, while not suitable for professional shooting scenarios, adds a fun element when capturing moments with family and friends. An added bonus of the Mark IV is the 180-degree tilt table LCD monitor, enhancing video recording and vlogging experiences. As expected from a camera of this caliber, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are built into the body, facilitating easy sharing and transfer of images and videos. Unlike the metal body of the more expensive Olympus OMDE M1 Mark III, the Mark IV is made of plastic. Users have commended the camera's 15 frames per second burst shooting mode, praising its speed and responsiveness, especially when capturing fast-moving subjects. The EM10 Mark IV is the first in the OMD series to feature a flip-down LCD monitor, simplifying self-portrait vlogging. This screen also proves useful when taking high or low-angle photos. Introducing the winner of the best budget mirrorless camera of 2024, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. This compact and sophisticated entry-level mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for vloggers and photographers seeking superior photo and video quality in a portable design. The Canon EOS M50 Mark II, with its 24.1 megapixel APS-C sensor, is an affordable solution for beginners transitioning from smartphones or point-and-shoot cameras. With features tailored to content creators, it's set to make quite an impression in the market. It's capable of capturing up to 10 frames per second, outperforming the Canon EOS Rebel SL3 250D DLSR, also featured on our list as a top entry-level camera. Its speed is sufficient for action-packed scenes like wildlife photography or sports events. A distinctive feature of the Canon EOS M50 Mark II is its user-friendly guide mode, designed to assist novice photographers. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this camera is perfect for spontaneous shots or recording and live streaming vlogs. Despite its compact size, it provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to handle during extended shooting sessions. The impressive burst rate of 10 FPS, typically found in high-end cameras, is another highlight of the M50 Mark II. This feature allows you to capture crisp images of fast-moving subjects like animals, athletes, or vehicles. For social media enthusiasts, the EOS M50 Mark II offers vertical video recording capabilities, ideal for platforms like TikTok and Instagram that favor vertical formats. This feature eliminates the need for post-production edits, and you can even live stream directly to YouTube. Images captured by this camera are vibrant and highly detailed. However, the absence of in-body image stabilization means you might want to invest in a gimbal or tripod for stability when using slow shutter speeds. The ISO range of 125/600 is quite generous, enabling you to shoot in low-light conditions and making it suitable for astrophotography. Overall, this model delivers top-level performance at an unbeatable price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 budget mirrorless cameras in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.